All right, Mivv Suono exhaust for a 2012 speed triple, and I cut them down about 2.5 inches, and I prefer the look so much more. Before they were sticking out to just about in line with the end of the tail light there, and they sound mean. I was only revving it to about 3,000 earlier today. It was raining, I couldn't pull it out all the way. But anyway, rain's cleared. Wife's gone. Neighbors are gone. So now's the time to do it. Hopefully this captures the pretty monster sound here. I'm just gonna talk a little bit while it warms up. So as you can see, just visually different. All the plastics from the subframe are all gone. I like that exposed look. Not a lot of folks agreed with it, but I mean, I dig it. This was the biggest heartache, this space here. But I can't think of anything to hide that. One guy on the Speed Triple forum suggested I paint that the second piece here. So the lower cowl is this piece, and then this is that metal piece that sits on top of the exhaust. It's, I guess, kind of a heat shield. And so he suggested I paint that, and I love the way it looks. So big thanks to that guy for it. One guy was asking about what kind of handlebars these were. So these are the Pro Taper Evos with the Carmichael bend, and I guess Evo means that it doesn't have that bar that goes straight across. But I will say I need some bar end weights because they vibrate pretty badly. And after my 45-mile one-way commute to work, my hands are pretty numb by the time I'm turning off the exit. So, and then little things like I took these out, the plastic thing here, to kind of give it that